guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know I haven't posted in a long while, but we're actually going to move past that because today is a good day. Your boy is back and better with a new laptop, and it ain't no ordinary laptop. It is a MacBook Pro. The 2019 version, so don't come for me. So, as you already know from the title, I'm going to unbox it and do my first look. So without further ado, let's get going. So as you can see, I got my Apple bag. Richness. And then, take out the box. Ooh, do you see that? Woo! Okay, so I got the 13-inch version. I got it with the 512 GB because I need a lot of space. If you didn't already know, I am taking a music course in uni. This is my room. If you want a room tour, comment down below. Oh my gosh, yes. So when I got this Mac, right, I walked into the Apple store. I'll insert a little video here. Please don't look to me. Yeah, so I walked into the Apple store looking nice. I went up to this nice woman. She was like, oh yeah. She scanned the thing and I was just waiting and I was waiting, and then I see this woman come out the door with a nice MacBook in her hand. I said, I know she's going to me. So she looked over. She was like, Joe Foreman. I said, yes. She's like, here's your new MacBook. I said, thank you. And she put it in the bag for me. Nice. The whole process was so nice and simple. So thank you, Apple. If you want to sponsor this video, please just let me know. Your boy needs money. He's broke after getting this, but you know, we move. So you know what? You people are waiting for me to open this box, so let's open the box. Can I have my mic?
Does it need in the video?
Okay. I'm so excited. You don't understand. Wait. Didn't even cut anything. Oh. Ooh. Did you hear that satisfying sound? Let's go rich.
ASMR rich people version.
Smells new too.
I want to smell it. Stop lying. It smells like nothing.
Right, exactly. Smells new.
That's more newness.
You look crazy.
I don't know how to show this on camera, but.
Ah, wait.
Hey, you're mad.
No, it's fine.
I'll put my hand
Okay, ready? Woo!
And you wanted to do it and then...
Wow! Look at my new MacBook.
I smell it.
I told you, it smells
like a new phone.
Wow. So yes, I got the space grey because the silver, I was not feeling that. So we're gonna...
But what's the difference?
The silver is just like a really silver colour.
Silver's grey and that's dark grey.
Oh. Ooh.
Wow.
What's that?
Huh?
What's that?
So in the box we have the charger, we have the leaflets that they always give us but never read.
What's that?
Oh, that's just the charger for the MacBook. So that's all you get in the box. For that price, I should be getting free AirPods, maybe an iPad 2, maybe just for a little surprise. But you know what, we move. But I am here for the MacBook, as you can see. So I'm gonna, wait, you have to hear the satisfying sound. That was ugly.
Open it then.
I'm going to. I'm not actually ready. I'm not emotionally ready.
I can see it tearing up.
Here we go. Oh wow. Oh wow. So I will come back when I finish setting up everything.
English as the main language. Press the return key.
Returned.
Okay, yes. I'll come back when I've set everything up. So it is all set up now. First impressions of this laptop. First of all, the size. I actually thought that the 13-inch wouldn't satisfy me, but it's actually fine. The screen's big enough for me to do what I need to do. The touch bar is actually very good, very helpful. I love it. Typing on this, most satisfying experience I've ever had. The setup process is very easy as well, very quick. Probably took me about 5 to 7 minutes. So to be honest, if you're looking for a really good laptop and you have the budget, I would say get this one, especially the 13-inch, because it's very portable. If you do a lot on your laptop, then I'd probably suggest you get a big storage. I got the 512 version because I know I'm gonna have to save a lot of stuff on this, but if you know it's just gonna be for leisure, I'd probably just go for the base model, which is about 128 GB. But yeah, that was my video for today, my unboxing and first look at the MacBook Pro 13-inch 2019. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and you know, I said comment down below if you wanted to see a room tour, so please do that. But other than that, I will see you guys next time. Don't know when next time is, do not come for me, but you will see me next time. Goodbye.